to the channel, and on this video I'll basically be teaching you guys this USD pairs correlation trick. Now most of people have been scared of USD pairs because of news, they're liquid and whatever, right? But the main thing is because they don't understand how what they do and how they move. Now this is a trick that could help you a mile off from learning and understanding the movement of USD pairs for you to be able to position yourself within the correct trend in the market. Now, the main thing that we're going to be focusing here is this DXY pair right here, right? This is the dollar currency index. It just represents how the dollar is moving. If the dollar is weak, then it will be bearish, right? And if the dollar is strong, then it will be bullish. That's the function of DXY. With that being said, this is how this trick works. So let me just clear this a second. So these notes here is what's important of all. This is your guideline, right? You can write this in your diary or whatever, right? This is the guideline to understanding USD pairs. So when this DXY, when DXY is bullish, then USD XXX pairs like USD JPY, USD SHIF, and USD CAD will be bullish, right? These are just example of pairs. It doesn't mean that only these pairs. No, it's all pairs according to this scenario here explained. And at the same time, XXX USD pairs like gold, XRUSD, pound USD, and euro USD will be bearish, right? So when this market here is bullish, like it is, right, when it's creating constant lows and highs, then also USD pairs like UJ and USD SHIF and USD CAD also will be bullish and moving within almost the same way as how the DXY is pushing. And the opposite applies for XXX USD pairs like pound USD and euro USD, where they'll be pushing in a bearish scenario. Now, that being said, let's understand the second scenario. So this is the first scenario when DXY is bullish, and when DXY is bearish, right, pushing in a downtrend like this previous trend here, then USD XXX pairs like UJ, USD SHIF, and USD CAD will be bearish. So you have to understand this. If DXY is bearish, then all pairs starting with USD, USD something here will also be bearish. If it's bullish, then these pairs will be bullish, right? If it's bearish, then also these pairs will be bearish. And the opposite applies for those pairs starting with something USD pairs, right? They'll push in an opposite scenario with these other pairs. Now let's go into the chart and see if what I just said is true or not by using the actual live charts and the current price action too. So this is DXY on the 4-hour, right? So we're going to use the same time frame and same everything. So this is DXY. So firstly, it made this low here, and then it started pushing bullish with this change of character right here, where price just kept on going bullish, forming constant highs and lows. So let's mark this properly, right? So we had a low, when we had a high right here with this structural shift here, and then from there, price just continued. Price just continued going bullish, as you can see, up until now where this high is being formed. So as you can see, our trend is pretty much a bullish trend, since we have a constant formation of new highs. Boom. So that's the XY trend on the 4-hour chart. So now let's go to these USD XX pairs like USD JPY, USD SHIF, and USD CAD, and see if they are bullish as the DXY. So let's start with UJ. It's right here. So this is USD JPY. Look at how USD JPY is doing, right? It made a low, broke here, created a high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low there, high, higher low, high, right? So it's a bullish market. So that's pair number one. It's bullish. Let's go to USD CAD, right, and see how what's it doing, right? So it made a low, came up, broke a high, came up, broke this high here, created a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and now a new high is being created. It's what? It's a bullish market. Booyah. So we go now to the final pair, USD SHIF, and look at what it did, right? It created a low, came up, broke a high, created a high, a higher low, and now it's creating a what? A new high. Hence what? A bullish market, right? it's a bullish market. There you have it, right? So far our scenario is pretty much correct. Now let's go to the opposite of what this says, right? So since these USD XS pairs, right, these are all bullish with the bullishness of DXY. So now let's go to the XXX USD pairs and see if it's true that they will be bearish. So let's start there with the gold. Look at what it does, right? Magnificent. Price makes a high, breaks a low, forms a new lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now it's creating a new lower low. Hence what? A bearish market. Let's go to the pound USD, right? Price formed a high. There we have it. Broke this low here. Took out, sorry, just want to keep this a little bit straight. Took out that low, created a lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And now, you know, it's in the range of a lower low, hence what? A bearish market. Let's go now to Euro USD, which is our final example, and see what it did. Price created a high, broke a low, created a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now it's creating a new lower low. Hence what? A bearish market. So this is how you understand USD pairs, right? And if you see, like, for example, like right here, right? So this is just extra. We're having a demand level in here, and price is now tapping into our level of demand. Hence, we're expecting a structural change from here, a pullback, and then taking this price bullish, right? Same as where on pound USD, right? We're having same scenario here too. So this is how you understand these pairs, right? So price comes in, taps into our area of demand, makes this breaks this intermediary high in here, hence an intermediary BOS, and now it's retesting. Hopefully we can go bullish in this market from next week too, targeting this high here and these highs here, right? Same applies to where. So I just took there. Let's see if gold is doing the same. No, gold is not. Then okay, it is where it is. And in the case of like so let's just check up on DXY. How's DXY pushing, right? DXY is pushing bullish and potentially hitting an area of supply right here, right? And we're expecting the same thing, right? Expecting price to move, break, retest, right? And then go bearish from there, right? So this is just a prediction, not financial advice of any sort. You know, I'm just showing what I understand based on these pairs, right? Same shit here too, right? Price is potentially hitting an area of supply here, and we expect sales from there, right? If price doesn't just break through. You know, all this is just perspective based on my understanding, of course. So, you know, it is what it is. This may or may not happen. That's why Forex is a risky business, and you know, everything you do is completely your responsibility. So we can see the same thing in USD shift. Price is within an area of supply, and we might look for sales in there if they present themselves. If they don't, then it's fine. We'll just wait for the pullback, get more buys in here, and rock with the markets. Now I hope this video, guys, was very informative to you, and if it was, then don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, turn that bell button on for notifications, and until the next one, guys, stay safe, have a nice trading week, and of course, peace out.